Standard 3, Subject Math, Topic Symmetry, Workbook page 56 and 57. Symmetry. If the two parts of a figure made by a dotted line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical about that line. Let us understand this concept with the help of an example. Here is a rectangle. Draw a line in the middle of the rectangle, a dotted line. The fold along the dotted line in the rectangle divides it into two parts which fall exactly on one another. Here we see that if we fold along the dotted line, one part of the rectangle falls exactly on the other part. The rectangle is symmetrical with respect to this line. Let us see one more example. Here is a shape of circle. Draw dotted line to divide the circle into two parts. If we fold along the dotted line, one part of the circle will fall exactly on the other part of the circle. The circle is symmetrical with respect to this line. Here is a butterfly. Draw a dotted line in the middle of the butterfly. If we fold along the dotted line, one part of the butterfly will fall exactly on the other part. So the butterfly is symmetrical with respect to this line. Here we understand that the rectangle, circle and the butterfly are symmetrical figures. Symmetry. If the two parts of a figure made by a dotted line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical about that line. Let us see some more examples. A figure can be symmetrical about more than one line. Let us understand the same example of rectangle. If we draw a vertical dotted line in the middle of the rectangle, one side of the rectangle falls exactly on the other side of the rectangle. So, rectangle is said to be symmetrical. Let us take the same rectangle and we draw a horizontal dotted line in the middle of the rectangle. Here also we see that the one part of the rectangle fall exactly on the other part. So here also the rectangle is said to be symmetrical because of this line. So we understand that a rectangle is symmetrical about more than one line. Here we saw that a circle becomes symmetrical about this dotted line. Let us take the same circle and we draw a different line. Here also we notice that a circle becomes symmetrical about this line. Let us take the same circle. We draw a vertical line, circle is symmetrical. We draw a horizontal line, the circle is symmetrical. We draw more lines passing from the center. About this line also the circle is symmetrical. About this line also the circle is symmetrical. So here we understand that a figure can be symmetrical about more than one line. Let us see some more examples here. Asymmetry. If the two parts of a figure made by a dotted line do not fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be asymmetrical about that line. Let us understand this concept with the help of an example. Here is alphabet G. If we draw a dotted line in the middle of the letter G, one part of letter G does not fall exactly on the other part. So, letter G is asymmetric about this line. Here is an example of letter Z. If we draw a dotted line in the middle of letter Z, a vertical dotted line if we draw, we notice that one part of letter Z do not fall exactly on the other part. So Z is said to be asymmetrical about this dotted line. Let us take the same letter Z. We draw a horizontal dotted line in the middle. Here we notice that the letter Z, one part of letter Z does not fall exactly on the other part. So with this line also, the letter Z is said to be asymmetrical. Let us see some more examples. These are asymmetrical figures. Workbook page 57. Determine whether the figure given below are symmetrical about any line or not. Put a tick below the figure if it is symmetrical and a cross if it is not. Butterfly. If we draw a dotted line in the middle of butterfly will be a symmetrical figure. So tick mark. Number 2, if we draw a dotted line on number 2 or in the middle of number 2, one part of number 2 does not fall exactly on the other part. So it is not a symmetrical figure. Next is the shape of a hexagon is given. If we draw a dotted line in the middle of the hexagon, we see that one part of the hexagon fall exactly on the other part. Then the figure is said to be symmetrical. Letter L, if we draw a dotted line, it will not fall exactly on the other side, so it is not a symmetrical figure. Letter X, if we draw a dotted line in the middle, one part of letter X will fall exactly on the other part. So letter X is said to be symmetrical. H, if we draw a dotted line in the middle, one part of letter H will fall exactly on the other part. So H is said to be symmetrical. For each of the figures below, draw a dotted line along which you would fold the figure to show that it is symmetrical. Here is an aeroplane. If we draw a dotted line in the middle, yes, it falls exactly on the other side. Star, yes. Here is a butterfly. Number 8, yes. Draw a dotted line of symmetry, if any, for the following English alphabets. Draw a dotted line of symmetry, if any, for the following English alphabets. Letter A, we draw a vertical symmetrical line. Yes. Letter B, there is no symmetrical line, or the letter B is not symmetrical. Letter C, We draw a dotted line in the middle, it is symmetrical. Letter P is not a symmetrical figure. Letter V is a symmetrical figure. Letter T is a symmetrical figure. Letter F is not a symmetrical figure. Letter S. In each of the symmetrical figures given below, color the two symmetrical parts in different colors. Each symmetrical figure is being divided into two parts. We have to color both the parts using different colors. So now we color rectangle, triangle, parallelogram. Draw dotted line or lines of symmetry wherever possible in the following geometrical figure. Equilateral triangle. Let us draw symmetrical line. We draw one more symmetrical line. Yes, we can draw one more symmetrical line. So number of symmetrical lines are 3. Name of the figure, isosceles triangle. We draw isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and one side is not equal. So we draw, we draw a symmetrical line. There is only one symmetrical line possible. So we write 1. Scalene triangle, all three sides are of different lengths. So there is no symmetrical line possible. So scalene triangle is not a symmetrical, not symmetrical. Parallelogram, also we cannot draw any symmetrical line. So that is also not a symmetrical figure. So 0 symmetrical lines. Rectangle, we can draw 2 symmetrical lines in rectangle. So rectangle. Circle, in circle we can draw number of symmetrical lines passing from the middle. So number of symmetrical lines is infinite. So here we complete page 58 of the workbook. We continue in the next class.